Hi guys, welcome to my Brookhaven video. So we're gonna talk about a secret door. Some player in Brookhaven already know the secret, but if you don't know, just watch this video until the end. So first off, we're gonna go to this alley here. See this partition alley in the daycare. In the daycare, you're gonna go to the Brookhaven post office and here to this dark alley. So if you go here in the parking lot, just go in this parking lot. You're gonna go here in this type hole. So there's a secret door here. So no, I'm stuck. No, help! Oh, here. See, it leads down here, and you can, there's a hole you can go to. There's a button here and somewhere here. Here, if you go inside, go to this room and click the light. So you can open a secret door underground. And click that to close the door. See? And here, it's like a secret room for police and the agency. If you sit here, you can view the police cams to every part of the city. So, see, in the grocery store, the hospital, the road, the ice cream shop, and many more. And you jump to get out. If you want to rob the bank, just go to my other video and see it. So bye. So guys, this is the end of the video. So bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video, guys. Bye.